Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about crypto.com CRO Coin, as well as take a look at the overall crypto market as a whole. We did have a little bit of a bounce since yesterday, and I want to give you my opinion on where I think we could be headed with that. So we are at 11,400 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away a loaded Lion NFT. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. Guys, I want to start off this video by saying over on Twitter, you can follow me at 333Blacksea. I said, buying CRO at $1, selling at 4 cents is not the move, because I am seeing people capitulate on the crypto Twitter timeline, which is pretty surprising, actually, because I really did believe that a lot of the sellers were gone. Maybe I'm just seeing the last few people capitulating, just getting absolutely bored, and they need to put their money somewhere else, so they're selling out of CRO Coin. But buying at $1 CRO Coin and selling at 4 cents is definitely not how you are a profitable trader, guys. It's definitely not how you make money investing. So just keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind, guys. Right now, we are so close to the bottom. I really believe that the bottom's in on Bitcoin, but you know, we could make new lows on CRO Coin, but I don't necessarily think it's going to be a massive move to the downside. But just keep in mind, guys, don't capitulate, especially if you bought like above 50 cents or so. Selling now is pretty pointless in my opinion. Not financial advice, that's just my opinion. I'm just telling you guys what I would do in my situation. I would not be selling CRO Coin at 4 cents if I bought near $1. But the overall crypto market right now, Bitcoin is up to $26,715. Bitcoin dominance level has come down a little bit, sitting at 48.84%. When you exclude stable coins, we're sitting at about 50.84%, 81% now. I expect the Bitcoin dominance level to increase as we get closer and closer to this halvening. But as of right now, we're starting to get a little bit of influx. We're getting a little bit of a bounce on Bitcoin. And I think that has a lot to do with just we started to kind of bottom out on this move here, that we were just chopping sideways, then we had a big impulse wave to the downside, and we're chopping, and now we're bouncing off of this support level at 26,000. And I do think that there is a possibility that we should come here and bounce and test the level of 28,200, guys. This is a very important level in my opinion. If we do break above 28,200, we're headed to 30K. And to be quite frank, if we continue to have these weekly candle closes, then I do expect some higher lows. However, I still am leaning a little bit bearish here leading into the Bitcoin halving. I think we do need a little bit more downside. That doesn't mean that we can't come back up here to say 30,000 and then have another capitulation down to 21,000. It definitely could happen. But I am leaning towards some more sideways chop with a capitulation down before we are really off to the races leading into the Bitcoin halving, guys. So take one step at a time. Don't trade with emotions. I will say that if we do break above 28,200, I do think that we'll probably come and try to test the $30,000 price level, maybe even the $32,700 price level. But we'll really have to pay close attention to this. We'll have to pay attention to basically what the Federal Reserve is going to be doing with raising the rates, because that will play a very key place in this price movement, in my opinion. Because I really do believe that this is kind of people expecting that the Fed is going to be a little bit more dovish, but time will tell, because in the previous FOMC meetings, Jerome Powell was very hawkish, talking about how they are expecting to increase the rates many more times, much more than they anticipated, I believe was the word for word what they said. So I am expecting a little bit more of a bearish sentiment. So time will tell, guys. We have to see what Jerome has to say. Over on CRO Coin, we are moving to the upside with this Bitcoin move. I do think that if Bitcoin continues to trade where it's at, above 26,000, maybe even try to get to the 28,200, then I do think that we are due for a move to bring us above 5.5 cents, which would be very fantastic. But like I said, I'm still leaning a little bit bearish, and I do think that there's a chance that we come up here and make our way down and test the wicks down here at about the 0.0490 cent price level. guys, it's okay if we make some new lows. I don't think that we're going to go to a penny or anything ridiculous like that, but I do expect that we could have some price movements to the downside to make newer lows on CRO Coin. Be careful, guys. Don't panic sell if you see a capitulation, but be patient. Be patient. If you're around right now, I know you have patience, and I know you will be rewarded, guys. But, guys, if you stuck around this far, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin each and every month leading up to the Bitcoin halving to one different member every single month. So very, very excited about that, guys. But that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.